is indeed the birthplace of Lord Ram. However, the court has decided in a majority judgment 2:1 that the site, 1/3 of it, should continue to be a place of worship for the Hindus. 1/3 of it should be allowed for the Muslims, for a mosque, and the third, we're still awaiting details. It was not clear exactly what happens to that. Your first observation, sir. This is Ravi Shankar Prasad. He's one of the parties, one of the lawyers, also a politician. We should underline that. But just your first observations on what we're hearing from Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Yes. But I don't know whether any issues there was any such division sought for by any party.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not clear, at least to the extent I have seen the
I don't think
issues.
it's in the petitions.
It was in the petition either. So this seems to be more like a panchayat decision than a judicial verdict.
Does it surprise you that the court has taken this approach?
If this is a correct reproduction of what the judges have held, it looks to be more like a judgment of a punch rather than
trying to maybe appeal to all constituencies.
Try to distribute the land among different people.
But is that so bad, sir, at this point? To try and not make it look like anybody's victory or defeat, to give something to everybody. I'm still waiting details on what the third part of the site is going
of land where it will go. To my mind, it doesn't seem to fit into any of the issues which they have been framed. In fact, we were waiting to know what they have announced on each issue. So that finding is not available as it is now.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get it by and by.
Yeah. So let me just update our viewers. Here's what we know has happened after 60 years. This is the preliminary, and we want to underline we're awaiting more details. This is the preliminary sort of conclusion that we've got from Ravi Shankar Prasad, who argued on behalf of one of the Hindu groups. Ravi Shankar Prasad says that the court in a 2:1 judgment has accepted that the disputed site was the birthplace of Lord Ram. We're going to play that statement for you in just a second. And also, the court has ruled in a 2:1 judgment that the disputed site will be divided 3 ways. 1/3 of it will be used, as happens for the Hindus, to continue their worship, 1/3 for a mosque, and 1/3 to one of the other petitioners, the oldest litigants in the case, the Nirmohi Akhada. Ram Lalla will not be removed from the site, but 1/3 of the site will be used to build a mosque. We're just going to briefly dip in and go back to the Lucknow, to the Allahabad High Court at this point and bring the sound up on that.
कहा है